Hi, welcome to iSpeak's PowerPoint Tips and Tricks. Today's module is titled Using the Eyedropper. When you insert text and objects in PowerPoint, it uses the default colors. But in this example, if I wanted the Microsoft Office title to use the Microsoft Office orange, and the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint colors to match the logos, like this example here, I'll use the eyedropper feature to match the text colors and the shape colors. Let me walk you through the steps. The first thing that I'm going to do is have the Office logos and the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint logos on the screen for convenience sake. I'll start by selecting the title. I'll go to the Home menu and I'll drop down the menu where the font colors are listed. You'll notice there's the eyedropper option. The eyedropper will then allow me to hover over the color that I want, and I want to choose the orange from the Office logo. As soon as I click, it matches the logo. I'll repeat the steps for the first shape here, Word, and I'll go to Shape Format, change the shape Fill, and I'll use the eyedropper to choose the blue from Microsoft Word. Then I'll choose Excel, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, Green, PowerPoint, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, and then the orange. I'll delete the two logos, and there's my final slide. Just to show you an alternative way to design a slide like this using all graphics, I'll use the Office logo and the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint logo blown up to show you another option for presenting this slide. Next, I want to show you one of the favorite uses of the eyedropper, and that's matching a company's logo. I'm going to start by inserting three shapes on the slide. Now, when I do this, I am going to duplicate this object, and then I'm going to type, in this example, the three reasons why companies choose iSpeak. It's because of our facilitators, our curriculum, and our flexibility. Next, I am going to use the eyedropper to match the colors from the iSpeak logo. I'm going to start by selecting the first box titled Facilitators. I'm going to go to Shape Format, drop down the Shape Fill, choose the eyedropper, and hover over the blue of the iSpeak logo. Next, I'm going to go back and make the title slightly bigger so it's more legible. And then I'm going to show you one of my favorite tips in PowerPoint, and that is using the Format Painter. By double-clicking on it, you can apply the format to multiple objects. For example, I'll click on the first object, double-click on that Format Painter, and then apply that formatting to the second object, and then to the third object. I could continue applying this format to other objects, even on other slides, if I wanted. When I'm finished, I'll simply hit the Escape key or click somewhere else on the screen to turn it off. The last thing I'm going to do is change the color of the title to match the orange in the iSpeak logo. I'll select the title. I'll go to the Home menu. I'll drop down the font color list, choose the eyedropper, and this time choose the orange of the iSpeak logo. And now my final slide has why companies choose iSpeak. The three boxes have the three reasons, and the blue matches the blue of the iSpeak logo, and the orange matches the orange of the iSpeak logo. One of my favorite uses for the eyedropper. iSpeak offers a variety of public speaking and enhanced communication workshops. We hope you're able to attend one of our sessions. Please connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We look forward to seeing you in an instructor-led or a virtual-led workshop.